All right, all right, okay, okay, all right. So let's continue from last night. All right, so currently watching the pre-market. Let's see what we have. This is AMD right here. Okay, so if I remember correctly, I said that I was going looking for a bounce at 212. I didn't wrote this down. Let's check Tesla. I just wrote some note on Tesla. I was looking for a bounce at 422 for a move long. All right, so this move already happened. This move already happened. So look at here, it gap down, bounce. Tesla the gap down, bounce at 422. Already finding its way up. But you know what? I'm not tripping though. Not tripping at all. Currently trading at 420, 426. So what I'm gonna do is simple. I'm still looking for the same move. Cause most likely either gonna bounce and make a higher move, or you're gonna continue going up. Okay, so give me a quick second here. Let me see. Let's see. If we don't get the 422, let's see where we can get another entry here with Tesla. Tesla. All right. Let's see where my fib players are. Where all my fib players, where you wait? All right, now let's deal with this right here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, you see? All right, we're currently trading close to the 61.80 fib level. All right, so if we miss 422, probably very likely get bounce at 61.80 fib level. Look at here. Look here. It already happened. You know what I mean? It already happened. So if you miss that, so you already know the next entry have to be a 50 fib level. Look what happened last time when it lose 61. It bounced at 50. You understand? Alright, so my fib levels are sitting right here on the 399 400 level. Right? They sitting right there. And this is a nice pullback right there. If we lose 422, we're looking at 418. Can be a nice entry. All right, but me, listen up. And I even think I'm not looking for that. I'm not looking for that at all. You know what I mean? I'm looking for a bounce at 422. Okay, I'm looking for a bounce at 422 for a move higher. If he doesn't come back, give me that move. Forget it. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Forget it. Forget it. You know what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, if he doesn't give me that move, I'm probably gonna switch because Tesla normally make big move. They probably keep going up. Let me see. For 42, for 36, yeah. Tesla probably gonna be chilling up there, somewhere for 44. If you continue to make high, you understand? But if not, you can be looking at 418. But I'm only interested in one move. Alright, let's go. What else we got? AMD. What AMDs are doing pre-market. What time is it? 5 minutes to 8. What AMDs is doing. Alright, so I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yes, because I did mark that. Alright, so I was looking for an entry. Same thing. I was looking for a fib level entry right here. right? So technically, this all my AMD already can come down, right? Break the level, went all the way down to 208. All right, 208, doji candle right here, right? All right, got a momentum candle with a big wig. All right, kind of looking like a hammer candle right here. Okay. All right. So it's look like it's forming another. Hold on. Let's check a smaller time frame. See what's going on. All right. Let's take the hourly. Okay, so it looks like we have a hammer right here. We're forming another doji candle. So technically, it can go either way. It can go either way. But you know what? Me, I'm looking for a close above 213 level. You understand? 213 level, which is 6180 fib level. If it close above here, come back, we test it. I might take an entry. You know what I'm saying? If not, I'm waiting for a break and hold above here for a move higher. You know what I'm saying? It's depending on the market sentiment. You know what I'm saying? What news coming out. Alright. So those are the level I'm looking at. I'm not interested on the 50 level. It doesn't look that strong. And hey, if it lose 61, 50, you wouldn't know, man. It's a shit show, man. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? So like, yeah, no interest at all. If you lose 61, no interest at all. It got to bounce. It got to reclaim. It got to close above 61. And I mean, we claim it for a move higher. If not, I'm not interested. Let's see what kind of pattern is created. All right. So, okay. It look like a descending triangle, right? It look like a descending triangle. So break and hold right here. Yeah, just like I said, if it breaks, so it will break that pattern. So I'm pretty sure it will go 244 again. All right. So let me write this down. Cause that's what I'm looking for AMD. That would be a good short position. I mean a good swing position. Know what I mean, for a nice. Let me see. Yeah, for a nice $20 move. That's good. Sounds good to me. So 212. Break and hold. Break and hold for long. Alright. Send a triangle. Okay, so that's that for AMD. I think that's it. Those are the two stickers I'm interested in for today, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at those guys, but I'm not really interested. Like, I'm not really looking for entry on MU or whatever. Look at what MU did. MU been going crazy, innit? A little bit. I think they were been going crazy. Welcome. I think that's what I meant on my last video, that OpenAI just nailed a contract with Broadcom. Right? Now look at it. Yeah. I think I said MU last time, but I believe it's Broadcom. Check this out. It's a nice $30 move. Look here. Alright. I'm not really interested in that. If I was gonna play this, I'm gonna take a closer look at it. But if I would play this, I would look for a bounce right here for a move lower. I wasn't gonna play. Look at this. Came from all the way to 317, 315. went all the way up to like 372. Now we're trading at, yeah, it might be a nice pullback for a higher move, but you can also revisit 315. Not really interested in that. I'm saying not really interested in that because I'm not really used to the. I play with Broadcom before, but it's not really my go-to sticker. You know what I'm saying? I'll have to do some back testing to see if those levels are really valid. All right, this is it. Pre-market open. You know what I'm saying? Charting. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, follow me for more. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. Gonna keep it coming. Sky level hustle. Let's go.